In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your website sitemap to Google Search Console. This is an important step if you want to help Google discover and understand the pages on your website more efficiently. A sitemap is basically a file that lists your site's important URLs in a structured format, and submitting it gives search engines a clearer path to follow when crawling your content. To begin, open a new tab in Chrome. In the address bar, type your website's main domain, followed immediately by sitemap.xml. It should look like this: https://www.yourdomains.com/sitemap.xml. Then press enter to load the page. What you're looking for here is confirmation that the sitemap opens correctly. In most cases, you'll see an XML style page with structured data and page entries. It may not look visually polished, and that's completely normal. The goal is simply to verify that the sitemap loads successfully and does not return an error or failure message. If it opens, that means your sitemap is live and accessible, which is exactly what you want before submitting it to Google. Next, open Google Search Console in another tab and go to your property dashboard for the website you want to manage. Make sure you are in the correct property, especially if you manage more than one site. This matters because sitemaps must be submitted to the matching site profile. Once you're inside the correct Search Console property, go to the left-hand navigation menu and find the Sitemap section. Click into that area to open the Sitemap Management panel. This is where Google allows you to register and review sitemap files for your site. In the field labeled Add a new sitemap, enter only sitemap.xml. You do not need to paste the full website address here because Google's Search Console already knows the root domain for the property you're working in. Keeping it simple helps avoid formatting mistakes. After that, click Submit. Once submitted, Google will begin processing the sitemap. It may take a little time for the status to update, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. The main thing is that your sitemap has now been sent successfully, giving Google a direct reference for your site.